Okay, what I just showed you is my AC compressor that goes on and off. And the mechanics, they don't really know what's going on, especially with older cars. And I just showed you what happened. AC would work and then would turn off for 5 seconds, then kick back on and be constantly doing that. What I did is, when the car is running, as soon as I disconnect one of the leads, doesn't matter which one, both of them are positive, and the compressor will start working. A little jump here, and I jump this too, and my AC compressor been working since then and wouldn't develop the problem. So for the short-term fix for a week or two, I'll do that, and later on I'll have to replace that pressure switch, which is compatible with the 124 Freon. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna jump these 2 wires, and that's it. And I use some electrical tape just for the extra security, and I'm gonna tuck it in. Maybe I use a zip tie just to be 100% sure it's not going anywhere. Okay, and now I'll show you how that compressor works.